Let's talk about variables in Python. Variable can be referred as a memory allocation in our system where we can store any value and we can retrieve the same value if we point to that memory location. Just like an empty box, we can store whatever value we want inside that empty box and the box will be filled by that value. So whenever the box will be again checked by anyone, it will give the same value which we have previously stored. So how to declare a variable? Let's consider a variable named age and let's consider an age of 20 years. Now this is an empty box which we have then provided the value of 20 by using a equals to sign. Now whenever this box age, it's not currently empty because it has the value of 20 which we have assigned, will be referred inside the program anywhere, it will going to give us the value 20. So let's print the value age and we will get the output as 20, right? Because in the memory location this age is pointing to some memory which have stored value 20, and whenever we will call the variable name age, it is going to refer to the same memory location and it is going to retrieve this value 20 from that memory and it's going to print. Simply we can also print name, let's consider, and my name is Vivek, and let's print name. I have used double quotes because it's a string and it is also printed name as well. So this is how basically a variable works. We can also update the variables as well. So let's consider age is currently has the value of 20, but now I want the value of age is equals to 30, and if I print the value age, I will just comment this and it is going to print the value 30. Initially it was 20, then we updated it to 30 and it is printed as the age 30. So this is how we can update a variable. Now let's consider if I want to use multiple assignment, like me, my friend A, my friend B, both have the same class. We are in, let's consider as 9th standard, right? So me, I will create a variable named me, friend A, friend B, and we can simply put a value 9 to represent the class which we are studying currently. So all the variables here, friend A, friend B and me, will have the value of 9. If I print friend A, then print friend B and print me, I will just comment the ages. As you can see, all the variables have the same value. This is called multiple assignment. So we will just write one variable equals to another variable equals to another variable equals to value. So this is how it works. After that we can also perform inline assignment, like let's consider as me. Now we will consider as roll numbers. So I will just comment this out. Me comma friend A comma friend B is equals to my roll number is 24, my friend's roll number is 27 and friend's B roll number is 30. Now if I print these values, I will get all the different values. As you can see, I have printed print me at the bottom, so I get the value 24 which is assigned to this me. Then friend A has the value of 27 and friend B has the value of 30. So these are correct outputs. So let's comment everything. Now after that, how to declare a variable means there are some special cases that we cannot use in a variable name. Let's consider first of all, let's take two variables, age is equals to 20 and age is equals to 30. And let me tell you one thing, both the ages are different because we have used a capital A over here and we have used small a in this age. This is due to the ASCII values of these variables. The ASCII value of A is different and the small a has the different ASCII value. So both of these ages are different. Let me print them. So I will just print first of all capital H and then print small h. Let's run. And as you can see, age with capital A has the value of 30 and age with small a has the value of 20. So both are different. This was the first case. After that, there is also another case. We can use letters right from A to Z, whatever we want, either capital or small or both, but we cannot use numbers at the beginning of the variable name. Let's consider as I will choose a variable, my school name, and I can write whatever I want. And if I print this out, it should print my school name. Yeah, that's it. But I have used alphabets. If I want to use numbers at the beginning, Python will give me an error. Let's consider as 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, PyCharm is suggesting me that this code, the syntax is not expected because we generally does not use numbers at the beginning of a variable name. But we can use in the middle, right, like this. Okay, let me just comment. Okay, we can use numbers in the middle of a variable name. We can use numbers at the end of a variable name, but we cannot start a variable name with a number. So this was the case. And the third case, we cannot use special signs like plus, minus, or etc., which has some meaning in Python, like plus is used for addition, subtraction, right? So we cannot use them. Let's consider and in anywhere in the variable name. So at the end, if I try to use a minus, it is going to give me an error, or plus 2. Still in the middle I can't use this, and on the beginning same. After that, I cannot use white spaces like space, and this is not a variable name. So this was it for the variables. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, just leave a comment and I will try my best to answer this. See you in the next one.